Hello and welcome to the Factoid channel. You want to know why goats are so inclined to climb? Well, let's just jump into the various reasons why goats are such adept climbers and what makes them so well suited to life in mountainous or hilly terrain. Goats are natural climbers, and their ability to navigate steep slopes and rocky terrain is one of the key adaptations that has allowed them to survive in some of the most rugged and inhospitable landscapes on Earth. In the wild, goats can be found living in mountainous regions of Europe, Asia, Africa, and North America, where they use their powerful legs and sure-footedness to scale sheer cliffs and rocky outcroppings in search of food, water, and safety. There are several reasons why goats are such skilled climbers. For one thing, their hooves are uniquely adapted to provide them with the traction and stability they need to navigate rough terrain. Goats have two-toed hooves that are shaped like a cloven hoof, with a hard outer layer and a softer inner layer that acts like a shock absorber. This design allows goats to grip onto rocks and other surfaces, even on steep inclines, and to maintain their balance and stability on uneven ground. Another reason why goats are such adept climbers is their muscular and agile bodies. Goats are incredibly athletic and have a powerful spring in their legs that allows them to leap up onto high ledges and platforms with ease. They also have flexible joints that enable them to contort their bodies and squeeze through tight spaces, such as narrow crevices or steep rock faces. Climbing is not just a matter of physical ability, however. Goats also possess a number of behavioral and instinctual traits that make them well suited to life in rugged terrain. For example, goats are highly adaptable animals that are able to adjust their behavior and diet to suit their environment. In mountainous regions, where food and water may be scarce, goats have developed a keen sense of smell and can sniff out vegetation and water sources that other animals might miss. They are also able to survive on a wide variety of plant material, including tough grasses and shrubs, which allows them to thrive in areas where other herbivores would struggle to survive. Another key trait that makes goats such skilled climbers is their curiosity and exploratory nature. Goats are naturally inquisitive and enjoy exploring their environment, whether that means investigating new food sources or scaling unfamiliar objects. In fact, goats are known to be quite mischievous and will often climb onto or over anything that catches their fancy, from rocks and trees to buildings and fences. This curiosity and willingness to take risks is essential for survival in rugged environments, where goats need to be able to quickly adapt to changing conditions and take advantage of any available resources. Finally, climbing is also an important social behavior for goats. In the wild, goats live in herds that are typically dominated by a single dominant male, or billy. Climbing is a way for goats to establish dominance and social hierarchy within their herd. Male goats will often engage in headbutting contests or other physical displays of dominance in order to establish their position in the hierarchy. Climbing can also be a way for goats to escape from or avoid conflict with other herd members by retreating to high places where they can avoid direct confrontation. In conclusion, goats are natural climbers that are uniquely adapted to life in rugged and mountainous terrain. Their hooves, muscular bodies, and curious and exploratory nature make them well suited to scaling steep slopes and rocky outcroppings in search of food, water, and safety. Climbing is not just a physical adaptation, however. It is also an important social behavior that allows goats to establish dominance and social hierarchy within their herd. We hope your random thoughts have been answered. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more of our random factoid answers.